In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create RSVP cards in Canva. If you're planning a wedding, organizing a formal event, or putting together any special celebration, having a clean and polished RSVP card can make a huge difference. The good news is that Canva makes this process much easier than trying to build everything from scratch in a basic document editor. You can create something that looks professional, print ready, and easy for guests to read without needing advanced design software. To get started, open Canva from the homepage and head to the top right corner. Click Create a Design, then choose Custom Size from the menu. This part is important because you want to work with real print dimensions, not just screen pixels. Change the unit from pixels to inches, then enter your preferred card size. A common option for an RSVP card is 5 inches wide by 3.5 inches high. Once that's entered, click Create New Design to open your blank canvas. As soon as the design opens, set up your alignment guides before adding any content. This helps keep important text away from the trim edge so nothing gets cut off when the card is printed. Go to the top menu, click File, move to View Settings, and turn on Show Rulers and Guides, then Show Margins. You'll now see visual boundaries on the page that act as a safe zone while you design. Next, move to the left sidebar and open the Design or Templates section. In the search bar, type a style that matches your event theme, such as elegant floral RSVP wedding, minimalist corporate gala response card, or modern rustic birthday reply card. Browse through the available layouts and click the one you want to apply to your canvas. Starting with a template can save time and also gives you a strong design foundation. Once your template is in place, begin refining the text. Click into the main title area and replace the placeholder text with something simple and clear, like kindly reply or RSVP. Then use the toolbar at the top to choose fonts that fit the overall look. Clean, readable fonts work best for the important details. Make sure the reply by date, guest name line, and attendance checkboxes are arranged neatly and are easy to scan at a glance. Before exporting, do one final review. Check that all text stays inside the margin guides, make sure your details are correct, and confirm that no placeholder elements are left behind. Then click Share in the top right corner, choose Download, and change the file type to PDF print. To make printing easier, enable crop marks and bleed, then click Download to save your finished RSVP card. That's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.